Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best Monzo shortcuts you didn't know about. So let's really dive into it. If you want to make Monzo fast and easier to use, there are few hidden shortcuts that most people don't know about. So one of the simplest is the quick actions. Just long press the Monzo app icon to instantly jump into spending money, adding to port, or scanning e-bills. Inside the app, you can also swipe left on any transaction to split the bills, add note, or move money into a pot without opening the extra menus. If you are managing bills, the salary sorter shortcut also lets you sort your income into pots automatically with one tap. You can also create schedule pot transfer. Swipe down on your balance to instantly see the spending trend, or use the in-chat splash command to quickly find payment or set reminders. This shortcut save times and make Monzo feels way more efficient. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like the video, subscribe for more quick banking tips, and comment which shortcut you will try first. And that's it.